Imagine standing on a planet so massive it could swallow 1,300 Earths, yet it has no solid surface to stand on. A planet where storms rage for centuries, where radiation belts could fry a spacecraft's electronics in seconds, and where something strange might be hiding beneath endless layers of gas. That planet is Jupiter. But here's the real mystery. For all its size and power, Jupiter is still full of unanswered questions, from a storm that never dies to an invisible force field protecting Earth, and maybe even a hidden ocean deeper than we ever imagined. Jupiter is less like a planet and more like a cosmic puzzle. So today, let's unlock the mysteries of the King of Planets. And trust me, you're going to want to stick around until the end, because one of Jupiter's mysteries might just change the way we think about life in our solar system. First up, the most iconic feature of Jupiter, the Great Red Spot, a storm twice the size of Earth that's been raging for at least 350 years. But here's the thing, we still don't know exactly why it's red, or why it hasn't burned itself out like hurricanes on Earth. Some scientists think chemicals like phosphorus or sulfur in Jupiter's atmosphere give it that crimson color. Others believe it's a trick of sunlight, breaking apart molecules. But the bigger question is, why hasn't it died? Most storms on Earth last days, maybe weeks. The Great Red Spot? Centuries. It's like a hurricane with an infinite energy supply. And yet, recent data shows it might actually be shrinking. Could we be the last generation to see this storm in action? Now let's head beneath the clouds. What lies at the heart of Jupiter? For decades, scientists thought it had a solid rocky core surrounded by gas. But NASA's Juno spacecraft threw us a curveball. Its data suggests the core might be fuzzy, not solid rock, but a strange, slushy mix of elements stretching across half the planet's diameter. How did that happen? One theory says early in its life, Jupiter was smashed by a massive planet-sized object, scattering and mixing its interior. If true, that means Jupiter carries the scars of ancient cosmic warfare. Jupiter doesn't just look terrifying, it is terrifying. Its magnetic field is the strongest of any planet in the solar system, 20,000 times stronger than Earth's. It creates radiation belts so intense they could destroy spacecraft electronics in hours. But here's the twist. This deadly magnetosphere may also be one reason we're alive. Jupiter acts like a giant shield, deflecting comets and asteroids that might otherwise slam into Earth. Without it, life on our planet could have been wiped out long ago. So in a way, Jupiter is both monster and guardian. And finally, the most exciting mystery of all. Could there be oceans on Jupiter? Not on the surface. It's too hot, too stormy, and far too extreme. But deep inside, under crushing pressure, hydrogen might transform into a liquid or even metallic form, creating strange oceans unlike anything on Earth. And here's where it gets mind-blowing. Some of Jupiter's moons, like Europa and Ganymede, do have subsurface oceans. These oceans are warmed by Jupiter's gravitational pull. And where there's water, there's a chance for life. So in a strange way, the mysteries of Jupiter itself may be connected to the possibility of alien life orbiting right next door. So, what have we learned? That Jupiter is not just a giant ball of gas. It's a planet of storms that never die, cores that rewrite our textbooks, invisible shields that protect Earth, and maybe even secrets about life beyond our world. And here's the real takeaway. Every time we think we understand Jupiter, it surprises us again. It reminds us that the universe is not a solved puzzle. It's a mystery box waiting to be opened. So the next time you look up at the night sky and spot that bright star-like dot, remember, you're looking at a cosmic enigma that has shaped the fate of Earth itself. This is Cosmos Unlocked. Thanks for watching, and keep looking up.